Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang, and let's get on to the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, so today's video, as you can tell by the title, is, I said fail, but I mean, I think it looks great. But the reason why it was a fail is because now my hair is too light and it doesn't match this dark black hair. What are you gonna do? I can't win. I can't win. So if you guys haven't already seen the review of this unit, my initial review, I will leave that in the iCard above as well as the link in the description box. But I want to show you guys how I dyed this wig from a color to this color in black. I used a box color from, I believe it was Target. It was around $2 to $3. I think it did the job. What I would do differently is I would not put the hair dye anywhere close to the scalp if I could help it. And I will be sure to thoroughly deep condition because I feel like the hair is a lot drier now that I've dyed it, but I feel like now it feels and looks even more like my natural hair texture. It feels more kinky than it did before. Before it was like a silky soft and it was really straight at the edges, and I'm like, my hair don't look like that. So now it looks even more believable, more natural. I absolutely love it. And without further ado, let's get into how I dyed this unit. This is the dye color that I'm going to be using. Set my wig cap, or wig, hopefully it'll stay in the sink. And then I'm going to put this Target bag on top of it so that it doesn't get dyed. And then I'm going to take my beautiful, beautiful hair wig and put it on top like so. And I might have to actually move it off out of the sink, but just for demonstration purposes. And I'm going to put this pin here to kind of keep it down. And these are the clips that came with the unit, so I'm going to use these. I think I'm just going to do it in two sections since I only have two clips. So I'll clip this side up to get it out of the way. Okay. Open the box. Always read your instructions. The bottle, or the box. This is what comes in the box. So let's read these instructions. Here we go. Step 1. That is in Spanish. First, put on coloring gloves. Snip off tip of the cream developer applicator as shown. Then remove applicator cap from bottle. Step 2. Next, pour all ammonia-free colorant into the cream color developer bottle. Finally, replace cream developer bottle applicator cap securely. Place glove finger over open tip pointing away from your face. Shake vigorously until the mixture is completely blended. 25 minutes for gray resistant hair. This hair doesn't have any gray in it. So, it says unclip one section applicator. Part your hair into 4 equal sections as shown to secure each section with a plastic clip, especially if you have long hair. Unclip one section of hair, then use the applicator tip 1/4 inch parting through the rest of the section and apply mixture to root at each parting. Do not rub mixture into the scalp. Repeat on 3 remaining sections. If mixture gets on skin, gently wipe off with a damp towel. Comb or gently work remaining mixture through the rest of hair, saturating hair completely through to the tip. Leave on here for 25 minutes total. So that is what we shall be doing. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. I didn't let it set the full 25 minutes because it's actually a lot darker than I thought it was going to be, which is fine. But I'm going to rinse it until the water was clear. I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it with this Garnier Whole Blends avocado oil and shea butter. Oh, doing too much. And shea butter. So that helped me get some of the color off as well. Now I'm going in with the Aussie 3-Minute Moist, if I can get it out of here. They also included After Color Conditioner. I'm going to mix that with this. Usually these things are not moisturizing enough, but we'll do that. And then I'll also include one more conditioner. It's the Whole Blends that goes along with that shampoo that we used. So I'm mixing all those together. As you can see, I still haven't rinsed all the color out, but I wanted to go ahead and throw some conditioner on here because it was starting to feel a little rough. So I'm gonna let this conditioner set on for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then I will rinse it again until the water runs clear, and then I will let it air dry. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that dye job, box dye job, and I will catch you guys in my next one. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and oh, and there'll probably be a little circle right here. Tap that as well so you can hit subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to watch some of my other videos right over here, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.